Join me as I dive into the world of stocks and try to figure out if now is the best time to invest in Palantir. Palantir Technologies is a company that has been gaining attention in the investment landscape lately, and for good reason. Founded in 2004, Palantir has been a pioneer in the world of big data analytics, providing innovative solutions to various industries. When considering investing in Palantir stock, there are a few challenges that investors face. One of the main concerns is market volatility. The stock market can be unpredictable, and even the most promising companies can see their stock prices fluctuate rapidly. Palantir is no exception, and its stock has been on a wild ride in recent months. Another challenge investors face is the company's recent performance. Palantir has been working to expand its customer base and increase revenue, but it's had its fair share of ups and downs. Furthermore, investors are also keeping a close eye on Palantir's valuation. With a market capitalization of over $120 billion, the company's stock is considered relatively expensive. This has led some to question whether the stock is overvalued and if there are better opportunities elsewhere. In addition, Palantir's business model has been the subject of much debate. The company's reliance on government contracts has raised concerns about its growth prospects, as government budgets can be unpredictable. This has left some investors wondering if Palantir can maintain its growth trajectory in the long term. Palantir's business model is built around its data analytics platform, which provides insights to its customers. The company has been working to expand its platform and increase its customer base, particularly in the commercial sector. In recent months, Palantir has announced several partnerships with major companies. These partnerships have the potential to drive revenue growth and increase the company's visibility. The company has also been investing heavily in its product development, particularly in the area of artificial intelligence. Palantir's AI-powered platform has the potential to revolutionize the way companies make decisions, and it's an area that's expected to drive growth in the coming years. Furthermore, the company's expansion into new markets, such as the healthcare sector, is also expected to drive revenue growth. In terms of market trends, the demand for big data analytics is expected to continue growing in the coming years. As more and more companies look to gain insights from their data, Palantir is well positioned to take advantage of this trend. Additionally, the increasing adoption of cloud computing is also expected to drive growth for Palantir, as the company's platform is cloud-based. Recent news and financial reports have provided some key insights into Palantir's outlook. The company's most recent earnings report showed that revenue growth is still strong, despite the challenges it faces. Additionally, Palantir's management team has reiterated its commitment to increasing profitability and expanding its customer base. These are all positive signs for investors, but they need to be balanced against the company's challenges. In terms of financial reports, Palantir's recent reports have shown some promising trends. The company's revenue growth has been steady, and its gross margin has been increasing. So, should you invest in Palantir stock right now? The answer is not a simple yes or no. Palantir has the potential to be a high-growth stock, but it also comes with significant risks. Investors need to carefully weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. To recap, we've discussed the challenges and opportunities facing Palantir stock, including the company's business model, recent developments, and market trends. We've also explored the key insights and analysis that can help investors make a decision. What do you think? Should you invest in Palantir stock right now? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in more investment insights, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.